Cole here. Thank you so much for joining me today in Hampi, India. I have been completely blown away by this place. I think this is my favorite place in India so far. There are temples, climbing, yoga, there's lakes, there's rivers. The people are fabulous. The children are painfully adorable. You have rice fields, red rocks. The landscape is incredible. I keep expecting a dinosaur to pop out behind some boulder or something. But excited to kind of show you some more of the area around here. Definitely plan on spending some more time here. And today I just wanted to do some pranayama, some breath work, and that's something that we haven't done a lot of in some of the other classes, in the yoga classes, but I wanted to take a moment here. I've had some requests for it. So I'm going to show you a couple techniques that I like to use. So find a comfortable seat first, and you can take any seat that you'd like. You can sit up on your knees, you can sit cross-legged, you can sit up on a chair, but just sit so that you have freedom in the spine. You want to have the natural curve of the low back happening and shoulders down and back. Heart center coming forward. Crown of the head extending tall. Tailbone seat heavy. Just those things. Just all of those things. So we're comfortable. Let's close the eyes. And we'll just begin with some breath retention here. So continue as I'm talking. Continue just to breathe normally, but awarely, consciously. Awarely, is that a word? Breathe consciously. Begin to bring some awareness to your breath. There you go. So what we'll do is, as we inhale, I'll count, and we'll go count to 4, and then we'll hold at the top of that inhale for 4 breaths. As we exhale, we'll exhale for 4. And then at the bottom of that breath, we will hold for 4 breaths. So you can even kind of imagine, sometimes I imagine like a diamond shape or a square or something in my mind as we go through this, if that's helpful for you at all. And as we go through this, I want you to notice any sharpness or any adhesion in the breath. Like if anywhere it feels like it's challenging, or like you're really wanting to breathe in or you're really wanting to breathe out. It's just something to notice as we go around. Many people have it in the same spot every time, so it's just something to be aware of. And we'll try to smooth those edges out. So let's fully exhale. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 2, hold. 4, 2. Inhale, 1, hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Continue 3 more rounds, counting yourself. If you would like to shorten it or lengthen it, please do so. Just slowly, with ease, and with a hint of self-inquiry, noticing where the adhesions live in the breath cycle. Bringing a little more awareness there and seeing if you can smooth it out. Last round. Come back to the normal pattern of breath, in and out, in and out. Notice sensations in the body. If you feel more open, if you feel more grounded. This tends to have kind of a sedative effect for me. A few more moments of just noticing. Fully exhale. Inhale, open the eyes. Nice. Hope you enjoyed that one. I love to use that when I'm needing to calm myself down. It tends to really help. Also going to be really nice before practice as well. If you come in and you're not really feeling like practicing and maybe you're a little manic or a little hectic, it can really kind of ground the energy and sink yourself into your body. So this next one I'm going to show you is called alternate nostril breath. And let's take the first 2 fingers. Well, first, let me tell you a little bit about it. So there's different, in yoga philosophy, there's different energy lines, and the 3 main energy lines are they're called the nadis, Sushumna Nadi, Ida, and Pingala. And so we're dealing with Ida and Pingala, and that is the masculine and the feminine side, and we want to balance those energies. So we'll be breathing only from the left nostril and only from the right nostril. So that being said, this is called alternate nostril breathing. Take the first 2 fingers, place them on your third eye. The thumb will come to the right nostril, and then the last 2 fingers are going to manage the left nostril. So let me just show you what this will look like, and then we'll do it together. First 2 fingers to the third eye. I'm going to close the left nostrils. There's only one of those, the left nostril. I'm going to inhale through the right nostril. I'm going to place my thumb and close the right nostril as I open the left and exhale out the left side. Inhale, left side. Close left nostril, open right, and exhale. Inhale, right nostril. Close it off and exhale left. Okay, let's try that. Forgot you weren't with me for a moment. Let's do that together. First 2 fingers, third eye. Let's close the left nostril. Inhale right. Close it off. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close it and exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Keep going on your own, couple rounds. Whenever you've finished, bring both hands down to the knees. Coming back to steady inhale and exhale. Take a few moments to notice any sensations, any feelings going on in the body. Fully exhale. Inhale, open the eyes slowly, taking in light, taking in sound. So those are a couple different options for breath work. I hope that you enjoyed one or both of them. Please let me know in the comments what you thought, what your experience was. And I challenge you to set your timer on your phone or whatever and to try each of these maybe for, 3 minutes apiece and 3 minutes apiece. And so really take note in the beginning when you sit, how you're feeling in your body, physically, mentally, emotionally. And then take note also of how you feel in the end. So a little breathing experiment, if you will. I would love to hear about it. So yes, let me know in the comments here. Thank you so much for joining me and us at Om Yoga Tribe. We absolutely love what we're doing. We're so excited to share this with you as we yoga the world. And please check out my website, colechanceyoga.com. I have a new subscription service up, so you'll have hour-long videos there and also all of these videos that you can download for offline viewing, as well as retreats and events that you can come explore the world with me and we can explore your practice together. Until next time, cold chants at Om Yoga Tribe. Namaste.